Number 22. Describe the transformation that maps the pre-image A to the image A prime. So we're starting down here and we're ending up here. And I hope you guys can tell just by looking at this that this is going to be a translation. We're not reflecting it or rotating it or dilating it. We're just shifting it up and over. All right, so this one says a reflection across the y-axis. I'm going to go ahead and eliminate that. And here it says reflect across the x-axis. I'm going to eliminate that. I haven't flipped it. A reflection is a flip, and this hasn't been flipped at all. So let's try these. Translate 6 units to the right, then 9 units up. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go 6 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 9 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That looks pretty good to me. But just for safety, let's check the next one. Translate 9 units to the right and 6 units up. All right, so let's do that. This would be 7, 8, 9, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not going to put us where we want to be. So our answer is B.